Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sista Chic Lacquer, Zuzu's Petals, and Beauty Big Bang XL033. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And now that it's dry, I'm going to go in with Sista Chic Zuzu's Petals. This is from last year's Christmas collection. It was in my favorites, so I had to use it. This one is just so pretty. It's like ruby pumps on steroids. Now, if you've been around my channel for a half a minute, you know that I am eat up with ruby pumps. I like this because it's very similar, but it's got more of a pink look to it, and it's got bigger, different glitters in it. This one is just so lovely for the holidays. So there's that first coat, and I am going to go in with a second coat. And depending on how long your nails are, you might be able to get away with 2 coats. I probably could have, since my nails are so short right now, but I am going to do that third coat because I really want this to be jelly. You know, all the layers. All those layers of glitter and yum. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, I just love it. So I'm going to get Woody out. There's Woody. He came and popped in. So hi Woody, how you doing? So I am going to top this one off with Pure Ice Girl on the Run. It's going to be my first top coat. You guys know how I do. I'm going to top coat. But I'm going to seal this one in, get it to dry down. Bless you, cotton. I'm going to cap my free edge. And there's a swatch photo of it on its own. And here is Beauty Big Bang XL033. Got my monocle stamper and my beauty scraper, and this is Shut Out by Braves Diva. I'm going to use this image with the little snowman on my 2 accent nails, my thumb and my ring fingernail. Got a lot of open space, so you got to scrape real light when you use the images like this. So it's just, I'm going to have me a like peeking out there pink snowman. Yeah, how cute. And then on my other nails, I'm going to use the kitty cats with the little Santa hats. I just think they're so cute. And I love watching Cotton's face when I say, kitty cat. It's a kitty cat. He thinks we have a kitty cat in the house and we don't. He wants a kitty cat. But I just thought these 2 images would work real well together and still let some of that beautiful Zuzu's Petals pop through. I am cleaning that plate off with pure acetone, and I do clean my stampers off on a lint roller. So just in case you're wondering. And when I use full images like this, I like to put a lot of polish on the plate to make sure there aren't any, bald spots. And then I have to be real careful with the scraping because I'm kind of heavy-handed. So I'm going to line this snowman up and slide him onto that nail. Tap down whatever's trying to fly away. Yes, there is. And now I'm going to go in with the little kitty cats again. I'm teasing Cotton. Sorry. It's just too much fun. But I thought that was a really cute image. And I know I haven't used it, so trying to use things that I haven't used before, whether they be polishes or stamping plates or images. I am going to go in with a little piece of tape and try to get up some of this extra overlap. Sorry, I'm out of frame. That got on my skin. I do like doing this. I mean, I normally still go on with my cleanup brush, but this time I didn't have to. I'm going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Seal that stamping in without smearing it. And once it's dry, I will top it with Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls as my final top coat. And people ask me why I use the other top coat and this one. The other top coat's to keep it from smearing, but it's not a good longevity top coat. So I use a real one for that. Here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.